So welcome back to the channel everyone. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine, and today I'm returning to Pokhara. Currently is 3:54 a.m. in the morning, and let's give this bad boy a cold start. It's a cold start on them. Just leave it for about 30 seconds. It's okay. How was that panorama time lapse? Please comment down below. त्यस्तै टाइम ल्याप्सहरु हालिरहेको छु म. So yes, currently it's 4:30 a.m. in the morning, and right now I am here at Thankot, Thankot checkpost ma. And finally, after a lot of dust and dirt, I guess the ride is about to get smoother, hey? But still there are jams here. What the hell? It's the piano one here. Oh my god, seriously, like still there are jams here out there. All these night buses and trucks are coming, and it's creating a jam. That jeep is broken down, I guess, so that the jam is occurring, and all those trucks are coming from another lane, so it's creating a problem, right? I'm getting quite scared right now. I got to go.
2,000 years later.
Look at that bus here. It's stuck in mud and slush. It's broken down here. And they're trying to fix it, and it's creating a jam in middle of highway. Was the driver drunk, or why did he park a bus like that? It's not a proper way to park a bus, man. Just turning it opposite in the highway. And they are gonna tow it. Oh shit. And they are gonna tow it out. Oh man. This one is pretty intense, I guess. Oh, JCB! So right now I am here at Monakamana, and the time is 6:36 AM in the morning, and yeah, I guess I'm catching up with the speed, and the ride is going very smooth. एकदम मजा आइरहेछ, and the weather is quite pleasant and no rain till now, but still I have my rain gears in case anything happens. I don't think it will rain, and so I'm here at Muglin, and 92 kilometers left till Pokhara. Right now I am here at Damoli Bazaar. Damoli ni आइहाल्यो, and the time is 7:20 AM. Oh god, I'm so damn fast here. I'm breaking my own record today. So I just entered Pokhara, and the time is 8 बजेर 9 मिनट गयो है, 10 मिनट गयो. So yeah, that was pretty nice ride here. That was such an amazing experience. I was literally racing myself. I don't know why. I was just giving normal जस्तो लागिरहेको थियो. The bike was giving its level best. It didn't overheat. Actually भर्खरै एकचोटि overheat भयो. Fan मात्रै घुम्यो, नत्र it didn't overheat. And I really enjoyed this ride here. It's drizzling out here in Pokhara here. हल्का हल्का पानी परिरहेको रहेछ के. खेरकै छैन, भिजिन्न. So this is the gateway of Pokhara, and I'm sure I am happy here. यहाँ पुग्नलाई कति टाइम लाग्यो? 8:29, 8:30 भनौँ न है. 4.5 hours I guess. लगभग त्यति. यदि हैन उता अहिले नि स्टिल इट्स ड्रिजलिङ है, पानी परिरहेको. उता अलिकति अझै पानी पर्थ्यो अनि हिलो थियो कि लास्टै. त्यति नभएको भए आई गेस आई विल हेभ रिच्ड एट 8 बजे नै ठ्याक्कै पुग्थ्यो होला के. अब यहाँबाट घर 5 मिनटको बाटो हो. सो यस, पानी भरे जस्तो भयो. So yes, I would like to end my vlog right here. Hope you guys enjoyed this fast video. If yes, leave a like, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and I'll catch you guys in the next vlog. Until then, ride safe, follow rules, wear safety gears, and peace out. So good morning to all who have just woken up. 8-9 बजेसम्म सुत्नेहरूलाई good morning, and त्यही हो.